here's the moment you've been waiting for. It was a busy weekend for actor Aamir Khan. We don't know whether it's all the work he put into that much talked about 8-pack or the vacation he's just back from, but he's brimming over with energy. Beverly White got some exclusive time out with the actor in Pune, in between teaching and a trophy.
That is the result of how we have grown. So I'm saying if we have grown in a manner where we feel that actually I want to be caring, and that is my first instinct, to be caring, then a lot will change on various levels.
He's played one of our favorite teachers on screen in Taare Zameen Par. And over the weekend, it was back to the classroom for Aamir, this time for a cause.
These are kids who've passed out of, IIT, IIM, different education institutions. They have actually committed 2 years of their lives to what is called Teach for India, wherein they would, for 2 years, spend, dedicate the entire time to teaching in municipal schools and in schools, even private schools, which are for the less privileged children of our society.
And Aamir's style of teaching in real life doesn't seem to differ from his real life style.
You seem like you would be a very good teacher to have in the classroom because you seem to want to go down the tack of, make life easier. The child should be happy.
We teach kids, really small kids, they should be excited about what they're learning. They should be happy about what they're learning. And learning should be an exciting process for them. It should be like fun and games. And they should be happy in what they're doing. That's really important. And when they're happy, then they absorb well, they learn.
First Taare Zameen Par and now Teach for India. Aamir certainly seems to be something of a poster boy for education.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to answer that. Well, I'm happy that people have liked the film that I made, which is on education, and that has had a deep impact. I'm really happy about that, and I'm happy that I could have contributed in some positive way, to our society, to our education in our society, and to kids.
Well, it looks like these young teachers have got a pretty good lesson as well. Who knew class could be this much fun? With Beverly White in Pune, in New Delhi, Mansi Mehta for NDTV.